So, andito pa rin tayo sa Aqua Private Residences in Mandaluyong City, Niagara Building, to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's go and check this out. Wow. So, this is the unit. Full of boxes. This is around 41 square meters. So, ginawa siyang bodega ng previous owner. This is the bathroom area. Ayan. Then the kitchen. And this is the bedroom area. And meron po siyang balcony. Ayan. Facing amenity area, Pasig River, and basketball court. And may konting rockwell. So this is as is where is upon turnover. Pero itong mga boxes na to, syempre, tatanggalin yan. Pwede nating i-request yan na tanggalin, and dapat tanggalin talaga yan ng bangko. So, may mga laman pa yung mga boxes. This is around 6.3 million regular price, and the discounted price is around 5.4 million, and this is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment, and then 80% balance bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. Pag natanggal yung mga boxes na yan, maayos pa yung unit. Okay. Livable po yung status niya. Usually, this is first come, first serve. But if the management receive multiple offers for this property, a bidding may be conducted. So again, if you are interested to schedule a property showing and make an offer, please message us directly.